Hi class, welcome back to Introduction to Marketing and Sales. Today we're going to focus on your week 3 graded assignment. Your assignment for this week is the Chapter 6 Quick Check in your Cengage ebook. In order to open that assignment, we need to click on the green puzzle piece next to week 3 graded assignment Chapter 6 Quick Check. This is either going to load your assignment into a new tab, or under Moodle Rooms in the Cengage box here, there will be a blue hyperlink to take you into your assignment. Once that assignment loads, we want to be sure that we are completing the correct chapter. We know we're working on Chapter 6, so we're ready. Now, click on the blue Start Assignment Now button. In this assignment, you have 25 multiple choice questions. Within each question, you have the opportunity to check your work twice before moving on to the next question. So, for the sake of the demonstration, I'm just going to choose option D here. Go over here to check my work, and it's going to pop up and tell me whether this answer is correct or incorrect. I can then change my answer, check my work again, see if it's correct or incorrect. If it's incorrect, change your answer, then move on to the next question. Now, once you're finished with numbers 1 through 25, click on the blue Submit Assignment for Grading button. A black box is going to pop up asking if you're sure that you're ready to submit and exit this assignment. Click on the blue Submit for Grading button. The next page will load and tell you what you scored on this assignment. Now, if you would like to try again for a higher grade, you have the opportunity to take this assignment over one more time. Just click on this blue Take This Again hyperlink to reload the assignment. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your instructor or your academic coach. We're always here to help. Good luck, and we'll see you next week.